We're a family of 5, there's 3 children and we have a dog, and we wanted a real family home for us. So we lived in the house for about 2 years just to get a feel of each of the rooms, where the sun came in, and then we got in touch with Russ at Townscape Architects, who helped us design our dream family home.
We're specialists in residential architecture. We deliver dream homes for our clients, and a big part of that is specifying the appropriate and right materials for the job. When it became apparent we were going to use an external cladding board for the extension, we looked at the products available to us, and that's when we chose the Hardie VL Plank as the right product for the job.
Russ came up with a really great product, the Hardie Plank VL. I fell in love with it straight away because of its smooth texture and natural look.
We wanted a product which blended in with the roof material, which was modern and related to other features of the building, and also gave us the choice of a modern tongue and groove profile, which other companies didn't produce. For non-natural timbers, it is often easy to see the replication of that grain. In the Hardie Plank, you don't see that, but many people do consider it a painted timber.
It's very durable, it's easy maintenance, but also the look, it looks natural. It doesn't look like a manufactured piece of either timber or PVC that's stuck on your house. It actually looks like it fits well and blends well with the property. We absolutely love the house. I feel really proud to actually show the house to other people, to our family members and other visitors, and it's great to see a house that we bought 4 years ago that needed some TLC turning into what we call an absolutely beautiful family home.